A welding flux is a substance used in welding to protect the weld from air, preventing oxidation. The alkaline earth metals are the chemical elements in the second column of the periodic table. They are characterized by a full outer s orbital, which gives them common chemical properties. Now that you know those two things, you're ready to tackle the patent case, Graver Tank versus Linde Air Products. Linde Air Products owned a patent for a welding flux called Union Melt Grade 20. Union Melt's patent described it as a combination of alkaline earth metal silicate and calcium fluoride. The actual product was made of silicates of calcium and magnesium, both alkaline earth metals. Graver Tank made a competing product called Lincoln Weld 660, which was identical to Union Melt except that it contained silicates of manganese instead of magnesium. Manganese isn't an alkaline earth metal. Lincoln Weld and Union Melt were made according to similar processes and used for the same applications. Linde sued Graver for patent infringement. The trial judge spent 3 weeks hearing testimony from chemists and visiting laboratories to view welding demonstrations. The judge concluded that, for all practical purposes, manganese silicate could be used as a substitute for calcium and magnesium silicates, and that Lincoln Weld was substantially identical to Union Melt. The court held that Graver had infringed Linde's patent. The Court of Appeals affirmed. The United States Supreme Court granted cert.